Hello students, today we will solve problem set number 45. Add the following. Question number 1. Add 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours and 55 minutes. Draw this column, write hours and minutes in hours column. Write 2 hours in minutes column, 30 minutes. In hours column, write 4. In minutes column, write 55. And add. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. So the answer is 6 hours and 85 minutes. But if we can see in our clocks, we have only 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. If the minutes crosses 60, will reach 60 or crosses 60, then the minute will convert into hour. So we will solve this. From minutes we will minus 60 because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we will subtract 60 minutes from 85 minutes. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. 25 minutes. And we will add 1 hour in hours column, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. From minutes column we will subtract 60, and in hours column we will add 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So this answer is 7 hours 25 minutes. Question number 2. 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. Draw this column, write hours and minutes. In hours column write 3, minutes column 50, hours column 4, minutes column 20. Now add. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 hours and 70 minutes. Again this crosses 60. That means we need to convert this 70 minutes into hours. Minus 60, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 70 minus 60 is 10. Add 1 hour in hours column. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this answer is 8 hours and 10 minutes. Question number 3. 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hours 35 minutes. Write hours column 3, minutes column 45, hours column 1, minutes column 35. Now add. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 hours and 80 minutes. Again this crosses 60. So we will subtract 60 minutes from 80 minutes. Minus 60, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 80 minus 60 is 20. Add 1 hour. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 hours, 20 minutes. Question number 4. 4 hours, 15 minutes and 2 hours, 50 minutes. Change this number. This is question number 4. In hours column write 4, minutes column 15, hours column 2, minutes column 50. Now add 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 hours, 65 minutes. Again this crosses 60, so we will convert this 65 minutes into hours. Minus 60, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 5 minus 0, 5, 6 minus 6, 0. Add 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 hours, 5 minutes. Same way we will subtract now. Question number 2. Subtract the following. 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Draw this box. Write hours, minutes. In hours column write 3, minutes column 10. Hours column 2, minutes column 40. Now subtract. 10 minus 40. Not possible. We need to borrow from hours. If we will borrow from hour, this will 2 hours now. Now we are borrowing 1 hour. When we borrow 1 hour, in minutes column, this will be 60, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. If we are borrowing 1 hour, that means we are borrowing 60 minutes. In minutes column we will write 60 plus this 10 we will write here. 60 plus 10 is now 70. Now we will subtract 70 and 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So this answer is 30 minutes. Question number 2. 5 hours 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. Write in hours column 5, minutes column 20, hours column 2, minutes column 35. Now subtract 20 minus 35. Not possible. Again we will borrow from hour. This will be 4 hours now. We are borrowing 1 hour. That means we are borrowing 60 minutes. Plus cancel this 20 and write here. 60 plus 20 is equals to 80. Now 80 minus 35 is 45. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Question number 3. 4 hours 25 minutes minus 1 hour 55 minutes. Hours column 4, minutes column 25. Hours column 1, minutes column 55. Now subtract 25 minus 55. Not possible. We will borrow from hours. Now this is 3 hours. We are borrowing 1 hour. That means we are borrowing 60 minutes. Plus cancel this 25 and write here. 60 plus 25 is equals to 85. Now 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Question number 4. 6 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. In hours column write 6, minutes column 15, hours column 2, minutes column 45. Now subtract. 15 minus 45 not possible. We will borrow from hours. Now this is 5 hours. We are borrowing 1 hour. That means we are borrowing 60 minutes. Cancel this 15. 60 plus 15 is equals to 75. Now minus 45 from 75. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. This answer is 3 hours 30 minutes.